Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your BMW 3 Series. We will cover the essential methods to ensure your device integrates seamlessly with your vehicle's infotainment system. Whether you want hands-free calling, music streaming, or advanced smartphone features, understanding these steps is key. We will walk through Bluetooth pairing, USB connections, and the setup for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, providing clear instructions for each process. To begin, ensure Bluetooth is active on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the communication menu within your BMW's iDrive system. Select Manage Mobile Devices and then choose Add New Device. Your BMW's ID will appear on your phone's Bluetooth list. Select it, and then enter the same 4-digit passkey on both your phone and the iDrive screen to complete the pairing. This allows for hands-free calls and audio streaming. For a wired connection, plug your phone into the BMW's USB port using a compatible cable. The iDrive system should detect your device, allowing you to select it as an audio source for music and podcasts. For newer models, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto offer advanced integration. Ensure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Siri or Google Assistant are enabled on your phone. Then, follow the prompts in the iDrive communication or media menu to connect wirelessly, unlocking navigation and app access. If you encounter connection issues, a simple restart of your iDrive system can often resolve them. Hold down the volume button for about 30 seconds until the screen goes black, then allow it to reboot. Also, try deleting your phone from the BMW's paired devices list and vice versa, then repair from scratch. Always ensure your phone's software is up to date for optimal compatibility. And for staying refreshed on the go, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.